Welcome to this lesson on the bid-ask spread, one of the most important concepts in investment analysis. Understanding the bid-ask spread is crucial for anyone who wants to trade stocks, bonds, or any other financial instrument. Today, you'll learn about the hidden costs that affect every single trade you make in the market, and how being aware of these costs can make you a smarter, more profitable investor. The bid-ask spread is the difference between two key prices in any market. The bid is the highest price that a buyer is willing to pay for a security at any given moment. The ask, also called the offer price, is the lowest price that a seller is willing to accept. The spread is simply the gap between these two prices. This difference might seem small, but it represents a real cost that every trader pays when entering or exiting a position. Let's break down these two terms more clearly. The bid price represents demand. It's what buyers in the market are offering to pay right now. Think of it as the buying price. On the other hand, the ask price represents supply. It's what sellers are demanding to part with their securities. Think of it as the selling price. When you buy a security, you pay the ask price. When you sell, you receive the bid price. This is why the spread matters. You're always on the less favorable side of the transaction. Let's look at a concrete example to make this crystal clear. Imagine a stock where the bid price is $99.50 and the ask price is $100. The spread here is 50 cents. This means if you wanted to buy one share, you'd pay $100. But if you immediately turned around and sold that same share, you'd only receive $99.50. You've lost 50 cents without the stock price moving at all. This is the implicit cost of trading. You might wonder why this spread exists in the first place. There are several important reasons. First, market makers, the entities that facilitate trades, profit from the spread. They buy at the bid price and sell at the ask price, pocketing the difference. Second, the spread compensates these market makers for providing liquidity to the market, ensuring there's always someone to trade with. Third, it reflects the risk that market makers take when holding inventory, since prices can move against them while they're holding securities. Not all spreads are created equal. Several factors determine how wide or narrow a spread will be. Liquidity is the most important factor. Highly liquid securities like major stocks have very tight spreads because there are many buyers and sellers. Volatility also matters. When prices are fluctuating wildly, market makers widen spreads to protect themselves from risk. Trading volume plays a role too. Higher volume typically means narrower spreads. Finally, the time of day matters. During peak market hours, spreads are usually smaller because there's more activity. Understanding how the spread impacts your trading is essential for success. The spread is an implicit trading cost that you pay on every single transaction. Unlike commissions, which are clearly stated, the spread is often overlooked by beginners. For frequent traders, these costs accumulate quickly and can significantly eat into returns. Even a small spread, when multiplied across dozens or hundreds of trades, becomes substantial. The good news is that choosing more liquid assets with tighter spreads can help minimize these costs and improve your overall profitability. Let's recap the most important points. First, the bid-ask spread is the difference between the buying and selling prices of a security. Second, this spread represents a hidden cost that affects every trade you make, whether you're buying or selling. Third, liquid markets with high trading volume typically have much narrower spreads, which means lower costs for traders. And fourth, understanding spreads helps you make more informed trading decisions and choose the right securities to trade. Always consider the spread when evaluating the true cost of your investment strategy. Thank you for watching and happy investing.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.